Hey everyone, it's Astrema Simone here. Welcome back to another vlog. Right now we're about to head into Walmart. I'm doing a quick little Walmart run to re-up on some things that we need, but I got the girl with me and I got the little boy with me, okay? And I got the other little boy with me, okay? So a pregnant mama too, doing what it do without Lakeith. He's knocked out. I was gonna try to put him in the cart, but he sleeps. So I guess I'm gonna just keep him in the stroller. Yeah, it's a little early still. It's 10 o'clock. I'm trying to go in and out, make it quick. I'm gonna have Mila push the stroller for me while I push the cart to make it a little easier. Yeah, you're gonna help your mommy out. All right, y'all, they got a whole bunch of Parents' Choice wipes, even cucumber and shea butter. I haven't seen shea butter in forever, but it's looking scanty, so you know I have to take one. All right, y'all know I'm a Huggies girls now. I love the Huggies little movers. I think I also want to try the little snugglers, but I need size 5. Where are you? I'm gonna try Makai on a sippy cup since he's been trying to drink our stuff and eat our stuff. Trying to find the best one here that would be easy for him, but also doesn't spill. I used to get this for her. The price, I don't remember it being so high, but I just need one. The only one I see by itself is this color that's like for girls, and I don't want that one. But I'm trying to see if I see a single one that's like a boy color like that with handles. This one don't got handles, but what's going on, man? Yeah, I was just talking to the Walmart worker, and I don't know how it came up. They were saying how cute Mila and Makai were, and then I'm like, yeah, I have another one coming. They was like, what? Oh my God. And then the other guy was like, well, y'all don't have no TVs? I'm like, there's TVs. I just don't watch TV. Makai is crying to come out. You think you're grown? Ah, he looks so strange in the cart. It's babies. Y'all, this ain't working out. He wants to come out. He want to go on my hand. I'm just show y'all what I got when I get home. All right, cut the tape. Cut the tape. Cut the tape. Oh, look, he got the teeth. You see the 2 teeth? I'm gonna have to see y'all later. Hey y'all, so I'm back in the house. It was a lot. I had to bring everything inside. I'm feeling kind of nauseous right now. I did get a cinnamon bun because I was craving it. I had a little bite of it in the car, and like the lingering taste is making me nauseous, so I'm about to take a nausea pill. My mom got me this fridge for Christmas. This little mini fridge. It's just a sip of water. I can't drink too much water. I took that nausea pill that they prescribed me. I need it to kick in. I haven't vomited in about 5-6 days, so I want to keep it that way. But I also feel like I did too much. Sweating in the Walmart. Makai decided he wanted to be up, packing all the stuff in the car, and I think that's why I feel a little nauseous. So you see this bed? It's a hot ass mess. I didn't spread the bed because I got to clean the bed. Makai peed on the bed. I think when Lakeith put his overnight diaper on last night, he didn't put it right. Because you know how Makai be trying to get up and stuff. He must have rushed. So it was like slanted. Because them Huggies be coming through with no leaks. But if it's tilted and he's sideways, it could easily leak. I ain't changing all the sheets, y'all. So I'm using my trusty dusty. Well, it's not dusty, but it's trusty. And it ain't mine. My mom lent it to us. Matter of fact, it is a little dusty. This little cleaner been coming through when he like get a little pee spots or vomit or anything, and I don't want to change the entire bed. So we're gonna use this because Makai, he still sleeps. Sometimes I get a little 5-10 minutes out of him. If he sleep in the car, he stays asleep in the carriage. So let's peek and see. But he wake up for any little sound, so shh. Okay, he's still asleep. Mila locked up in her room. She mad at me because I wouldn't get her ice cream. She don't even like ice cream. She wanted Haagen-Dazs just because she seen it. But anyways, let me clean this real quick because it's a little loud. Hopefully he doesn't wake up while I'm cleaning it. Y'all, it's a hot mess in here. I gotta do a New Year reset. I have to reset. I don't know how he got on this. Okay, so here's the spot. And I just got this new mattress. Oh man, it definitely went through. I am gonna change the actual sheet. It didn't get on the other sheets, the bed sheet. This could wash, but I need to clean out the mattress. Moving forward, I'm gonna use this pad that my mom took from me from the hospital when I gave birth. You know, when you're leaking blood and all that. And I'm gonna put it where he sleeps moving forward, so I don't have to go through this. I got that bloodhound nose. Pretty much gone here. I just smell it a little bit right here. Like it was never there, y'all. I love this machine. I am finito finally, and Makai is still sleeping, so I put the pad underneath here now, so just in case it will catch it. That's his little space, and then sometimes we move him to the middle depending on how he falls asleep. Sometimes he wants to be between us. I have the baby gate here for him. He's still asleep. I'm very surprised about that. I guess the whole trip wore him out. I had to get the bed out the way before I showed y'all the Walmart haul. I do have some perishable items that I need to put in the refrigerator though, but it hasn't been that long. It's only been like 15 minutes maybe. I don't feel as nauseous. I'm gonna still wait a little bit before I eat the cinnamon roll. But when I wake up Makai, it's a wrap. He ain't gonna make me do nothing. Y'all, look at this. Oh my goodness. It looked a little messy because I ate a little bit. It smells so good. I just heated it up. Would y'all believe that Makai is still sleeping in the stroller? I feel bad because he's like bundled up in the house. But if I take off anything, touch him, he's gonna wake up. And I need this moment right now. He'll be alright. So I'm going to jump. Oh no, how did the bagel have a tear in it? I wonder if it just got the tear or they already had the tear. I'm gonna share the Walmart haul with y'all. It's a little big, not too big. I don't feel like it's that big. Let me just bust down this cinnamon roll real quick. I can't wait till I get to the middle. That, lady and gentlemen, was a homicide. Look who's awake. And yeah, he's kind of sweaty. I'm gonna make Mila sit in here with him for a little. You okay? Yeah? You gonna make mommy go in the kitchen and put everything up? Yeah? I know he hasn't seen the camera in a while. He's like, give me that. All right, I'm gonna quickly run through the kitchen items and then I'm gonna go show y'all the other household items and the personal care items. I have them in the living room. So I did get some ground beef to make like a quick easy dinner tonight. I have ground beef in the freezer, but I didn't feel like defrosting it, so I just got a new one. It was just $8.07. Some mini bagels. Mila really likes the Thomas mini bagels. I'm gonna have to put it in another plastic though because there's like a rip. I got some McCafe coffee, y'all. I've really been liking this coffee from McDonald's. So I got the K-Cups one and it tastes just the same. Normally the coffee brewed tastes like a little better than the K-Cup, but the K-Cup actually is like as strong. And I love that I can make it the way I want to because sometimes they don't give me enough cream or sugar. I had to re-up. I got some plain Greek yogurt, just the Great Value brand. I've been using a lot of Greek yogurt and I want to try the DIY bagels, TikTok bagels. Got some butter, some whatchamacallit. I just wanted one whatchamacallit to see if I fell for it, but I just got the pack because they didn't have one. Mila picked up this M&M Yo Crunch. She liked it. I don't know. She ate one already. She likes it. It's her first time, so I just made her get the little one because they had the bigger pack. But I'm like, you're not about to waste money on something you don't even know if you like. Makai, y'all seen I was in the baby section. I read up on the rice cereal. I ran out of the bigger size one, so I just got 2 small ones. And he likes the way the rice cereal tastes in his milk. I could tell it's easier on his stomach than the oatmeal, although the oatmeal, these little yogurt milk snacks in strawberry. Makai doesn't like banana so far. There's a lot of banana flavored things, but he doesn't like banana at all. Not even a real banana he don't like. So we're gonna try. And then I did just pick up a couple of these, but I do have a baby food maker. I've made baby food for him, but sometimes when I don't get a chance to, just to have something in between, I want to try out these Beach Naturals, sweet potato, apple, pear. I didn't get anything mixed just to make sure he's not allergic to anything. Just try it out slowly on him, but I know for a fact he doesn't want banana. And then I did get him the 2 sippy cups. I ended up getting this by Munchkin for 6 months and up, so it's perfect. It's spill proof. I've had this before with Mila. And then I got him this Parent Choice bowl bowl. It has a lid too, which I really like, because they have the munchkin bowls but they didn't have lids. And then the strong suction. He has a high chair and he won't be able to move it because he loves to move his bowls. And this is for 6 months and up. BPA free, dishwasher safe, and microwave safe. Perfect. Y'all know that's the ice maker. Loud as hell, always interrupting. I got Great Value brand aluminum foil and parchment paper. I've been baking a lot. When I first walked in there, I stopped and I got some plastic cups and the plates for when I don't feel like washing dishes some nights. We don't mind it. Especially when I got a lot of dishes going, I be tired, y'all. All right, and for the household items, I got the Great Value paper towels. We ran out. Some fragrance-free Parents' Choice wipes. I got the 1200 and the shea butter. I just used the shea butter on Kai Kai. He did a poo-poo, and it was great. The Huggies Little Movers, they didn't have any more Snuggulars. The Great Value garbage bags. Comment, need more of that. Drano, need that for the bathtub. The Best Darn dish soap, Dawn, and some refillable liquid soap. Lastly, this is what we got for the personal care toothpaste, TheraBreath. I got the big size one. Mila wanted this mechanical toothbrush. Some dental floss for me and Lakeith. I'm gonna try out this Vaseline Cocoa Radiant for after shower. And I got 3 of the EOS Vanilla Cashmere finally back in stock, y'all. Got one for me, Lakeith, and Mila. Got some more As I Am products, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, shampoo and conditioner, and then the regular leave-in. So far, I've been really liking the As I Am. And then some vitamin E oils. I found the really big one. I'm gonna use it in my hair, Makai's hair, and Mila's hair. And then Mila wanted this bonnet for her braids. Y'all look crazy. I'm tired, but I just made a quick meal. I've shared this meal with y'all before, but let me just show you. Quick dinner. It is just the bow tie noodles with the ground beef, kind of like a DIY hamburger helper, but a little more soupier with the cheese and the spaghetti. I did it in a vlog before, and it's so good. So it was so easy to make. It was literally less than 30 minutes. That's gonna be dinner tonight. Quick and easy meal for school nights, busy moms, and I've been craving beef, so this works out perfectly. Hi, Kaka. You drinking Baba? And nap time? No? No nap time? Yes, my Christmas tree is still up and it's the end of January. Don't judge me. Judge yourself. Okay, so Makai obviously is not taking a nap. He doesn't take naps anymore. He barely takes naps. He feels like he's missing out on something if he is not up. I didn't intentionally leave the Christmas trees up. Matter of fact, all of the Christmas decorations are still up. Was gonna film a New Year reset a long time ago. Never got around to it. Wasn't feeling well. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take the stuff down. It is what it is. I've been over these decorations because I put them up from early November. I'm like over it. So I threw out the boxes because they were taking up a lot of space. So I did order this Christmas tree storage bag off of Amazon. I got it for like $7 and change. So hopefully it's good. Yeah. I looked at the reviews online. So we're gonna see. It's this little bitty thing. I died. No, ma. Say ma. No. Say ma. Okay. Let's see. Oh. It's supposed to be up to a 9-foot. Supposed to fit to up to 9 feet. Pretty big, like wide. Okay. And then you could write on the front on that paper. But is it durable? Because it's still a little thin. We gonna see, because this is what I have to put them in. I didn't even get to eat the chocolate, man. What's the matter? Come. All right. Velcro baby. Can't do nothing. So I'm trying to take down the ornaments. I honestly don't even feel like I want this tree for this year Christmas. I've had this tree for 5 years now, and I think I want a new tree. I mostly don't like that it sheds all the faux snow that's on it, and I'm just kind of like over it. So I'm just still saving everything just in case I change my mind, or like I don't find a tree I like in time and then I have to use it again. So I'll just keep it because you never know. I am glad that I'm doing this part towards the ending of the vlog because I know a lot of y'all don't watch the entire video to the end. So I'm gonna start doing that, putting the embarrassing parts towards the end of videos because a lot of y'all don't be watching it anyways. Okay, I got to take down the tree. Give me 1 second, okay? Okay, I'm not gonna be able to do this. Can I take down the tree? Can I take down the tree? Thank you for my kisses. Thank you. So one tree fits in the bag. I don't think that one's gonna fit. But this is why I do not like the tree anymore. It gets everywhere. It's literally all over the floor, y'all. So Lakeith is watching Makai while I do this because he won't let me be. This Temu vacuum, y'all, has been coming in clutch. Look at how spotless it is now just from me vacuuming. I love this dang vacuum. It's been holding me down for like 3 months now. All right, so the living room is basically back to normal. I just put some of Makai's toys here. And everything is kind of like back to normal. I took down the other Christmas stuff. Okay, so I have a lot more to do. I did want to organize the bathroom and kitchen a little bit, but I'm gonna leave that for another video because I'm getting a little tired and I don't want to overwork myself, and I have to get ready for the school week for Mila and everything. Makai finally fell asleep. That's why he was fussy. Y'all, I want to take these out. Makai's been pulling my hair. I don't think I'm ever gonna do these boho goddess braids ever again. I can't stand, even though it's human hair, it just gets tangled. He's pulling them out. I'm just over it. I don't think I'm gonna do this again. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.